Welcome to another episode of Decor Fan Home with Decor Fans. We'll be walking you through some of the trendiest of home decor design to bring you a greater design inspiration as well as how fans can complement your homes. So let's jump straight into it and visit one of our clients' homes. Let's go!
Hi, I'm Eva from DermaCurate and welcome to my home. When we first thought of what we want in a home, we wanted to create a positive and conducive learning environment for our children. We also wanted to create an inspiring design that can create a good first impression on our guests. So we decided to go on a modern Scandinavian theme that we focus on functionality and simplicity. This includes the use of natural textures such as leather and wood for the design of our home. My favorite part has got to be my master bedroom, and it gives me a feeling of warmth, coziness and comfort. I also love the mini walk-in wardrobe and the makeup table that we have installed. We had a Decor Fan installed in our study room which complements the theme of our home. When the kids and my husband studies or work in the study room, we will always turn on the Decor Fan rather than the air conditioner, as the fan is good enough to keep the room cool and conducive. Aesthetically pleasing and saving electricity.
That's it for today's episode of The Perfect Home with Decor Fans. We wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And may the festive season bring about peace and joy into all of your homes. Hope to see you soon.